Hello guys and welcome to the Adam Gamer channel, and today I am with
Tom Gamer.
Okay, and we're going to be playing White Noise. We've just joined and noticed that there's a new map, and they've added a new character, which Tom will say for me because I don't know who it is.
I think the new character is Hero Kills.
Okay.
So first
Yeah. Yes. And we're going to be doing random games off the Xbox twice a week, one on Monday and Sunday, every week until we get every week until I run out of games.
And also, you're going to go to the Netflix if you haven't seen that. When we get 20 subscribers, we will start letting people play these kind of games.
Yeah.
Very often.
Yeah. Like every time we play like a scary game like this, we'll let a couple people in. Wait, when Jason gets the channel, we're letting Jason in it because Jason's part of the channel. It's when I get 20 subscribers or you do. So it's either of us do. So, how many subscribers do you have? I subscribed and then like I got 3, haven't I? I know he subscribed, but I didn't get it. I'm not gonna say his name because I don't want his name to be in the video. So he said he subscribed, but he didn't, because I still had 3 subscribers. So yeah. Oh yeah, please subscribe and like, and check out Tom Gamers and subscribe and like his. And enjoy this video. And thanks for watching. So yeah, go check out Tom Gamer's channel. He's on. When are you gonna do your next video? Because you haven't done a video in ages.
Yeah, it's probably gonna be
Later, yeah. After we done this video, probably. Wait, what day is it today? I don't know. Let me just. Oh, it's Sunday? What a coincidence! I don't even know. So tomorrow we do another video. Woohoo! Woohoo! We'll probably make this video and then we'll go on a different game after this one and then upload it tomorrow. So it's already done then. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay, so Tom, what are you doing? Oh, hurry up. Because this is going to be boring. Come on. But yeah, I'm going to do some videos on my computer, on Minecraft, SimCity, maybe StarMade, but it doesn't work at the moment.
that is part of the guy's name.
Yeah.
That's the first letter of the guy.
Who did, but didn't. Oh, yeah? What the hell? This is awesome. Tom, come here. We're just gonna explore the map and like try not to die. Look in here. Massive.
Oh, this is awesome.
I wanna jump in there. Jump. No. Oh yeah, the stairs going down. No, okay. It's dangerous to go alone. What? Did you leave? Oh god. Oh my god. Invite me invite to your game.
What's it?
Invite to your game because you've disconnected probably.
I can disconnect.
Did you die? Where are you? Meet me at that swimming pool thing. No, meet me at the swimming pool that I'm at now. That thing that I showing you. I hear footsteps. I do hear footsteps.
From there now.
Yeah, I hear footsteps. There you are. Right, okay. We need to stay together. Right, you lead the way, go on. Oh god. Woohoo! Wait, the guy can't get us because we're on this. He'll have to walk across, so he can't get us. Yeah, good point. Can we go down there? Oh, he's somewhere. Quick, we need to get off this now. He's somewhere.
I've got a feeling.
He's in this room. He's in this room. He's in this room. Because you can hear him. He's in this room. I can.
I've got a feeling. It's supposed to stop with him.
No. We've got 2 ways off. Ah! Ah! No! Run at the line! Let's see what's in this room. Come on, quick. Make sure we're not looking at anyone. Go away. Diamonds! Diamonds! Diamonds will make everything better!
What the fuck was that?
I don't know. It isn't scary, but it's pretty, like, weird. It's jumpy as well.
It was like a sword down across or something.
Oh, there's security cameras. Hi, can you help us? SOS! SOS!
My autograph.
Yeah, we were doing a video before on this game, White Noise, and someone just randomly decided to join the party when we were 10 minutes in. Just randomly, like, just joined the party and started going, oh yeah, do you want to play on Black Ops? Do you want to play Black Ops? Do you want to play Minecraft from the game? Wasn't he? So I kicked him.
Basically, we all had a I said, I've got a feeling, and I was
Okay. Ah, behind you! He's behind you. Oh, he's gone. No, he was there. All the viewers saw that. He was right hooking there. I love Bloodborne! Oh. Come on, let's go. We will find the mega. Yeah, we found like Rich was recording it, but that guy ruined it. Oh, he's around that corner. No!
What is that?
I don't know. I think he's down my corner. Let's go. Oh, whispering, no. No, 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 no. Wait, Tom, wait for me.
It might be a tree.
Let's go. Oh, the glitch one, the glitch one, the glitch one.
Might be.
Yes! The glitch! Oh god! Where do we go? Where is he? Ah! I can't eat. No, you're just gonna run away.
Swear down. Wait, come on, let's go. Tree.
This is a bit scary now. Oh, whispering, no. Oh god. Don't look behind you. Don't look behind you.
What are these? Are these white noises?
Oh, the alien. Maybe they are white noises. He's over there. He's over there.
Wait, is this trying to say white noises named it?
Yeah. Tom, he's behind you.
That was in the experience.
He's gone now. He's behind us, isn't he? Oh, radio! There he is! Oh god. We found 2 radios, so that means he's harder now, doesn't it? Hey, how did we end up in this place anyway? Okay. Oh, whispering, no. We're fine.
I'm pretty sure it's an alien in this map as well.
An alien. Is that the water fountain though?
Don't you think that alien was like alien? It's like very excellent.
Oh god. Oh god, my light, my flash is going dead. Oh, it's going dead! No. No. No.
Adam, you go on the other side.
No.
Look, wait, come to me.
My light flash is gonna go down. My light flash is gonna go off, and the viewers won't be able to see. White noise seems to be no. What the hell? It's not even a toilet, I don't think. It's like a weird thing. So you have to stand up with your jeans on. So does it fall through your jeans? Okay. We've been we've been recording for ages. 15 minutes. Almost anyway. 15? We need to die soon. We haven't even died yet. I don't think. We haven't even died yet. And 15 minutes, that's pretty surprising. And we found 2 tapes.
Oh
You're dead?
Did you see that telephone?
I guess. Is that your dead body? What the hell? You like sat down on the floor? Yeah. Right here where I am. He's like right below me. So I'm alone, guys.
I guess I can't see you.
Take me to my lobby.
I will take you to the lobby. I'll show you which kind of lobby. You have no dick, comes from a little pick which you come from. Cause you have no friends until you little. How's this where you live?
No one expected that. I bet every one of you jumped. Because I didn't. I totally didn't jump and scream.
I
True. Your tree! What the fuck? Oh, I thought your trick. Never mind. Never mind. But we stay together and then I like split off. We like go away from each other. And I'm like, come to me, and then you find me and then we carry on going. Ah, we see him and we run. We run like forever. And we see him again and then we run again.
No, because that was the time.
And then we run again and then we go. Now we run again and we go. And we jigsaw his leg. And we probably see him again in a minute. Ah, we see him again! And whatever that thing is. What's that to do with that? This is gonna go. Okay, do you want one more game? It's been 18. Or should we just end it here? Oh, it's gonna take forever to upload. You realise that? Yes.
What do you want kids and people?
Get the fuck out of here!
Don't talk to the video!
What's this? Oh, it's a storm. I'm not going up. Wait, I hear tape.
You have to wait for the spot.
Where is it? Oh, it's behind this wall. Bland Harry Dozy. What the hell is it? There it is! Tom! Tom, get me! Tom, get to me! Ah! Tom, look! There's an alien! What?
It's bad, it's horrible. Come on, bitch, you're scared.
No, don't do it, Tom. Don't look at it.
I'll sacrifice myself. My bitch. No, Ghostbusters, stop. Oh.
What are you doing?
I ran a ghost. I'm scared. I ran a ghost. She's a mommy at my ghost.
Whoa! She'll die!
Where is he? Oh, I don't know.
He's dead! Woo!
I'm not dead.
No, he is. No, he's not. He's not. I'm afraid of no ghosts. Walk through them and you kill them. Rockets! Woo! So if we don't see a ghost, we get scared. Ah! 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 Where's the UFO? Oh, da, da, da. Da, da, da.
I'll go for the door and slap them and get them my rings to make them pay from a day, from a year to another year.
No! Don't do it! Don't be a hero! Don't be a hero!
It's okay, I can fix.
Tom! Are you dead? No. Oh no.
I'm a ghost. You ain't free to a ghost because I got your friend.
Not you! Woo! The gamers! I've survived for ages.
I feel so proud. The gamers today. They're afraid of ghosts.
I don't know. Do you want me to die now? Because I've been going on. Oh god, blue. Reset. I haven't died for ages. Where is this guy?
I killed him for you. I took him in my ghost machine. Do you know what I did for you? I killed myself. All for you.
I'm looking for a radio.
Who's gonna call it?
The gamer.
Yes,
That should be our original song. Who you gonna call? The gamer. Louder. The gamers. I know. I know. Guys, I've been walking around for ages and I can't find this guy. So I might kill myself because this video has to end soon. Aww. Why do I do that on every single video? I'm getting bored now. I'm not gay, Tom. Why did you say that then? Turn off that fucking song. Turn it off, turn it off. What the hell? My controller just vibrating. I heard a massive dropping noise.
That's what I've been talking about all the time.
I hear a radio!
Oh! On my screen it says you are now alien.
No, it doesn't. Sure.
It says you are now alien.
I can't see it.
It says you are now alien.
Well, show me it then.
I just did it.
You didn't. Show it properly. Go on.
I'm sure.
Exactly, so show it properly.
I guess what?
What? Is that another radio? Oh no, okay. I'm getting bored now. I'm getting really bored now. Should we end it here? Oh, turn it off, turn it off. So just turn it off, it's fucking annoying. No, wait! I should end it when I die. When I next see him, I'll kill myself. What the hell was that? I've got this on camera. There's a gravestone. Guys, it turns. The gravestone turns. Oh my god, it's creepy.
Gravestone turns.
It turns to look at me. Oh god, it's creepy. So there's a gravestone there now. So the alien's messing with me. And now there's a... Ah! I swear to God, I saw the Grim Reaper. I swear I did. Yeah.
I'll just see it in the video then.
See how creepy this guy is? Has this ever happened to anyone? I'm surviving for a long time and stuff is happening. I'm gonna close my eyes and I'm just gonna go down this corridor.
Close your eyes and click the monster!
Where the hell is he? Oh, the flashlight is fading.
That is me.
No. Oh, where the hell? Oh, there's a tree? Yay!
We already knew this tree really tall.
I'm not going down there though. I mean, bad things are on train stations, right? So I'm not gonna go down. I'm going to go. I'm going towards the whispering. Oh, where is this guy? Come on! Have you killed him?
Yes, I already told you.
Right, if I can't find him when we get to 34 minutes, I'm ending it.
That's what I have been talking about. What to do when you see a monster. You call the Thomas Watson, you call Tom Gamer, Adam Gamer. You call Tom Gamer, I killed the ghost.
Right, we're ending it now. Okay guys, so thanks for watching this. It's very scary.
If you haven't already, check out Tom Gamer's channel, Tom Gamer.
Yeah, and subscribe and like him and me, please. And thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And we'll see you later, guys. It's been a long game because I haven't died, but yeah, we'll see you later. See you later from the gamers.
This is the Gamers in.